We are going for lunch.
Yes.
Chief. This place, you've been coming here without me. Today I join you.
Why do you always like to criticize?
But it's true. Have I ever been here?
Must you be able
How
to
many
with me
times
at
have
the
you
same
been
time?
here? This man, he like to enjoy by himself.
Before we head back to Switzerland, I had to come and taste Ezenwa's favorite restaurant in Enugu.
Let me go and enjoy what you're enjoying. Not only you. Next time I'll leave you at home and go and come here. No problem. You should have removed your cap.
Dolphin restaurant has been Ezenwa's place to go for lunch. And today was my turn to join the enjoyment. Ofe Onugbu with Akpu for me, and the same with Semo for Ezenwa.
So yeah, I'm joining Ezenwa and flexing my toothpick. Okay? I follow you.
Evidence. It's called receipt, you know?
Receipt. Okay. You don't pay. You don't have to receipt. Ezenwa way. Ezenwa way. Hi.
But we didn't just eat, we also bought some books in that restaurant.
Dr. M.I. Obara.
Biography.
The Nigerian Revolution and the Biafran War.
Those who don't know.
And then there was a country like Chinua Achebe. This place is not only for food, you can also buy food for your brain too. Maybe they'll sell my book too one day. Abi? Let's see.